Hello everyone, this is me, Seamus, and today we discuss about the major topic how to earn money, how to make money online. The best topic is this video. You perform my duties as a translator. If you have the qualified and have the product knowledge about the translation, and then you choose this occupation. If you need to make money online, translation work is the fairly unserved niche. You can will need to learn at least two language to do successfully. So if you are literally or the major in the popular language in schools, this may be a great money making idea for you and try out. You will need to show proof of ability to translate. If you have a language degree or experience and text selling text, make sure to show sample of your portfolio. Most companies will require a translation test. Keep in mind that you need to be a fluent in the language you are applying to be translator for. So you can't use translator tools, sites where you can money online. Upwork, people per hour, STLs, Jinjo Pro, translator base, and the most also option is available. Sell your stuff. You are desperate to make money. Sometimes they need option to sell your stuff. You are unemployed or struggling to find a job. Selling your possession is the great way to make money fast. You can earn money online using the link below, or you can head to pawn shop. Keep in mind the shipping cost associated by the selling online. Be sure to charge the buyer for it if you are shipping product internationally. Most people intermittently think of selling their junk like books, DVD, CD. The most people don't buy to buy those things in 2021. They are usually going to buy CDs, probably not. So don't waste your time trying to sell it when you are thinking about how to make money fast. Focus on item of the value like laptops, TV, phone, furniture, designer handbag or cloth. You might try to sell your products Facebook group instead, Instagram instead. Just game of them. If you sales your stuff everywhere, your chance of something fine. Be sure take Amazon. Be sure you make a photo and the edit them. And online retailer does not upload image as it. They hire a photographer to take photos, image enhance. The background is often removed. Approach your product post like an online retailer. Avoid take pictures of products on tables. If a product is on a table, remove the background to make it. While if you don't have on high-end photographer equipment, you can consider taking uh, this product photography online course to earn stunning products photos with the fancy frames gears. After you figure out stuff to sell online, start your own online store using Shopify. You have proven that you have got what is take to be an online seller, so you can start make money from home. There is a different way you can earn money online. There is a lot of opportunities also available. uh, if you have the great graphic designers, you can provide a high quality of skills and distribute to make money online. How to make money offline, there is a lot of opportunities available, also available them to destroy and shares your experience, explore and feelings. And thank you very much.